So someone asked me a question if they can start selling on Jumia in 2026. And my answer is yes. Anyone can start selling on Jumia as long as you have something to sell. As long as you have a product to exchange for money, you can start selling on Jumia. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the different requirements and steps you need to take to start selling on Jumia. But before I do that, let me give you a few benefits of selling on Jumia, as well the downside of selling on Jumia, so that you know exactly what you want to go for. Number one are the benefits. Now, with Jumia, unlike other online stores, it is automated. Yeah, on your end, you have very less work to do. All you have to do is to provide or list your products on Jumia, and the rest of the process is automated or done for you. From, let's say for example, if an order comes through your shop, all you have to do is to get that product, take it to the Jumia store around town, and they'll handle everything from packing the product, shipping, delivering, and even accepting payments on your behalf. Once the payment comes through, they pay you your money and they take their commission, and the business continues. So it is that simple. That means anyone, even if you don't have any knowledge using the internet, customizing websites like Shopify, WooCommerce, you can use Jumia and still sell. The downside of Jumia, on the other hand, as I told you, everything has a good side and the bad side. Now, the bad side with Jumia, in my opinion, I think through these automations of them doing everything for you, if you are one person who wants to have control over your shop, you feel limited. You feel you have no control over your traffic, over the sales. Like literally, you can't customize your shop according to what you want, what plugins you want inside there, things that you can do with other platforms like Shopify, but most commonly and especially WooCommerce. You can't do those with Jumia. Now, the biggest of all is this thing of traffic, in my opinion, and something that I've been struggling with. Traffic is something you need to preserve as an online business owner, because you can target these people next time when you're running Facebook ads, you can target them next time when you have new stock. But when you do it on Jumia, Jumia is the middleman, so you have no control over that traffic. Someone will come and buy in your store. Next time they want something from your store and they come on Jumia, they may not find your store, they might another store will show up in front of them and they will not buy from you. So those are a few things. And then maybe the other thing is about commission. If you're one who understands e-commerce so well, you may be hesitant, you may feel a bit find it difficult believing a few the commission they put on the sales that you make. You find they are charging you for delivery fee, they are charging you for commission fee, delivery fee, processing fee, what else, packing fee. So all those fees, you may find that you may start thinking of, what if I run my online store? So those are the two sides, the good and the bad. Now that you know those two, let me give you a few steps that you need to open up an online store and start selling in 2026. Step number one, as we said, the basic requirement is you need to have something to sell. Step number two, you need certain requirements. These requirements, you're going to allow me pack them into a PDF and send them to you. Now, if you're watching me on TikTok, just comment the word PDF and I'll be able to send this PDF full of requirements that you need to use to open up your store on Jumia in your inbox. If you are on YouTube, you're lucky. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You should be able to get those requirements. But among the requirements that you need a business name, you need a national ID, payment details, and a few others. I'm going to pack these things together and you should be able to receive them. Now, if you have all those requirements, you've grabbed your PDF, you have those requirements, you will visit a platform known as Jumia Vendor Center, Jumia Seller, Jumia Vendor Center. You should check it on the internet. But I'm also going to leave it on your screen here so that you are able to easily access it. When you visit that platform, the requirements in the PDF are the ones you're going to use to fill in the different spaces there. After you fill in those spaces, you submit your request for Jumia to allow you become a partner or a vendor seller on their platform. As you submit in, we go to step number 3. You need to customize, or you need to set your store ready to sell. So what do you need to do? You need to add the products. You need to list your products there. This step feels overwhelming at first when you're just beginning, but when you do it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, you find that it is very easy. You can easily add the products in your Jumia store using your smartphone, using your computer, your laptop. It's very, very easy. However, if you find it difficult and you want me to let you know, to take you through this stage here, step by step on your computer, you can as well let me know. I will do that. Another thing, you can contact the Jumia guys. They can help you set up your store and you get ready to sell, especially if you have no clue on how to run an online store. So after this step of setting up your online store, listing products, I assume they will have gotten back to you and letting you know you're ready to sell, or there's something to correct maybe in terms of pricing. We shall talk about pricing later on, which is a very important aspect. You need to know how to price your products on Jumia to be able to make profits and avoid losses. So they will get back to you and let you know about all these things. If there's something to correct, they will tell you. If you are good to go, they will tell you you're now ready to sell. You submit in your payment details, and where they'll be able, of course, to pay you once orders come through, and from there you'll be good to go. Your shop will go live and you start receiving orders. So until now, that's the basic understanding of you opening up a Jumia store. I know there is a lot inside. If you went on-screen tutorial step by step, there is a lot, but if you visit Jumia Vendor Center, you should be able to find everything that you need to open up your store. And don't forget, if you need the PDF that has the requirements to help you easily follow up your account opening, just comment the word PDF on TikTok here, and on YouTube, check the description. I'll be able to give you that PDF. Thank you so much. I hope this helped, and peace. If you found this useful, don't forget to follow and give a like to this video.